2022 Subaru WRX. The 2022 Subaru WRX is expected to debut next year as soon as possible, where it will be equipped with a 2.4-liter horizontal turbocharged engine, with up to 400 horsepower, and 490 Nm of torque. The new generation of WRX will be similar in shape to Levorg, adopting the latest family design, beautiful appearance, and abundant equipment. The new generation of Subaru WRX is believed to adopt the latest design of Dynamic X Solid. The same handsome shape as the new generation of Levorg, but it is also expected that WRX aerodynamic kit and lamp design will be more sporty and aggressive. In the rear part of the car, the new generation of WRX will also be equipped with a newly rear design, plus double-sided exhaust pipes, full of fighting atmosphere. For the interior of the new generation of WRX should be in line with Levorg, with an 11.6-inch inverted large-size entertainment touchscreen host, a 12.3-inch full LCD instrument, a newly designed steering wheel, and a simplified interior design. The texture, sense of technology and sports atmosphere are all excellent. As for the engine configuration, according to information disclosed by foreign media, it is reported that the new generation of WRX will be equipped with a 2.4-liter horizontal turbocharged engine. This engine also appears on Legacy and Outback models, with 260 horsepower and 375 Nm of torque. But because it is a WRX performance model, it is expected to increase the horsepower to 300, and the WRX STi model will reach the realm of 400 horsepower and 490 Nm of torque. In addition to the handsome appearance, good interior texture, full combat atmosphere, and excellent performance, the new generation of WRX is also not to be underestimated in the safety assistance system. The new generation of WRX may be equipped with EyeSight X advanced active safety equipment. The functions include automatic emergency braking. In addition to lane departure warning, lane departure assistance, side blind spot detection, active cruise control and more, it also has a Level 2 automatic driving assistance system. The 400 horsepower performance car has a Level 2 autopilot system. Finally, you may be wondering, when will the new generation of Subaru WRX be released? According to foreign media, we will be able to see the 2022 Subaru WRX as soon as next year. What do you think of 2022 Subaru WRX? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.